Happy Halloween, everyone! Today I'm going to make one of my ultimate favorite, pumpkin muffin. It is so delicious and everything about it is just perfect. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing, and if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And further ado, let's get baking! In my medium bowl, I have some all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add in some baking soda and then some pumpkin pie spice. And then I'm just going to combine them. This definitely smells delicious already. In a large bowl, I have 2 eggs, and I'm going to add in some milk and also some pumpkin puree. And then some sour cream. And then some butter. And some brown sugar. And then also some vanilla extract. And then I'm just going to try to break up the yolk a little bit. This looks and smells delicious already. And it's okay that it has some butter lumps, because when it cooks in the oven, it's gonna be delicious. Okay, and then I'm going to slowly add in the dry ingredients. Okay, set that aside. And then I'm just going to fold them in. And then you just want to fold it until it's nice and combined. And you don't want to overmix it too. And then I'm going to add in the chocolate chips. That looks delicious. And then I'm just going to fold it in some more, just so the chocolate chips can get all nice and even into the batter. Okay, this looks good. And as you can see, the dough is nice and gooey, and that's what you're looking for. In my muffin tin, I already sprayed some olive oil to coat, and then if you want, you can go ahead and just use some paper liner. And then I'm just scooting them out and dividing the batter into the muffin tin using a cookie scoop. And then I'm just going to continue until my tray is all nice and filled up. Okay, and then this is the last one. And then I'm just going to give it a quick shake. And then I'm going to pop them into the oven. Here is the end results and the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. Okay, I'm going to put this one right here. All right, cheers. Mmm. 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 You guys, that was so delicious. It is soft, it's moist, it's fluffy. Everything was perfect. So if you guys like to give this recipe a try, I will have the measurements in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!